If you're currently holding DJT, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video, and that is DJT still a buy post-election? Stick around, I'm going to give you my insight and thoughts on that. Also, we're going to take a brief look at DXYZ. Ladies and gentlemen, this stock has more room to run, and if you were a part of our Discord server, then you too did actually catch this alert in real time, which I alerted back on the 6th, just 2 trading days ago, for the entry price of $15.29, with that price target being $16.70 plus, labeling this a swing trade. And just 2 days later, the stock has seen a high of $42.77, and that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get all of my alerts in real time. All you have to do is hit that Discord link in the description below and let the gains begin. Now, first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is DXYZ. Now, as you all know, this thing has been performing pretty darn well thanks to the SpaceX news. And this is why I am telling you guys that this is going to be the next hot stock to buy, because they do have a 30% stake in StockX. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, since StockX is a privately invested company, this is currently only the public's way to actually get their feet wet into StockX. Other than that, if we take a brief look and just check out the recent short sale activity from Thursday, and this is why we did see this major short cover wave taking place thanks to the news that actually came out. But a huge reason why this thing actually did roll in prices thanks to the huge short sale analysis back on Thursday. We got a total of 1.43 million shares sold short. Now, that was at the closing price of $22. Now, with today's closing price of $36.20, and we do see a huge volume increase with that 19.06 million in comparison to Thursday. We do expect to see a much higher total short volume backed by a much higher short sale ratio thanks to the huge increase in price, which can ultimately be the perfect recipe for a short cover wave here on Monday. Thanks to today's aftermarket price action, we stand a very great chance to see that. I'm going to be giving you my price prediction for Monday here shortly, but before I do so, I just want to take a brief look and show you guys DJT and give you my quick thoughts and insight on that. Also, ladies and gentlemen, here in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a early warning signal levels here in DJT, which will basically be a early warning signal that it is completely over with and it is time to sell. Now, for those that is wondering, is DJT still a buy here post-election? Like I told you guys before, we do expect to see a short cover take place, and that's exactly what took place here today. If we take a brief look and just check out the capital trend, it tells it all with a huge block order inflow of 71.4 million. These are numbers that we haven't seen in DJT here since the beginning of this rally. With that also being said, a lot of people may be wondering, this may be the turnaround that everyone has been waiting for. But ladies and gentlemen, ultimately, DJT isn't going to see those $54 level highs anytime soon. I do feel as though that this short cover wave may just be short-lived, depending on today's short sale analysis, which we haven't gotten just yet, which we will get around 10 p.m. Central Time, which is about an hour from now, which I will be updating you guys in tomorrow's video on the likelihood whether DJT will see a continuation of its short cover wave here on Monday, because today's aftermarket price action doesn't point to the likelihood of a short cover continuing at all. But what we can really look at is that daily short sale analysis, which would give us a better insight on that. But with that being said, DJT, if we do continue to see this short cover wave take place, we may ultimately see this thing reach those $37 levels here early off in Monday's trading. Now, if you ask me, I don't feel as though that is likely to happen. I do feel as though that we're going to see a reversal here on Monday back towards those $27 levels, 26 sub dollar levels. We may fall back towards those $25 levels, but ultimately I do feel as though that we're going to enter those $26 levels here early off in next week's trading. Now, far as this thing, is it a buy here post-election? I do feel as though that this thing is going to offer great swing trade opportunities throughout short cover waves. That's it. That's all. But far as DJT being a long-term investment, I do not see as such. Now back to our DXYZ. And again, guys, if you did catch the alert over in the Discord, can you please comment in the comment section below? Caught the alert. But as you guys can see here, if we take a brief look and check out that capital trend today, massive block inflow. As you guys can see here, something that this stock has never seen, 16.6 million. Now, like I told you guys before, with that huge increase in volume, expect to see a higher total short volume. Now, with a higher short sale ratio, that is ultimately going to favor the likelihood of a short cover wave taking place here on Monday's trading for DXYZ. But I do feel as though that we're going to see a lot of FOMO fall into this play, and this thing can ultimately reach those $70 levels here before the week is over. Do not overlook this play, ladies and gentlemen, because with SpaceX being in the same sentence as Destiny Tech 100, and with him being pretty close with Donald Trump, I do feel as though that this is going to get a lot of speculative buying here this upcoming week. So again,
may the gains be with you, my young Padawan.
Click the video that you see on the screen to be notified when Monday's live stream starts.